Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 4th, 2023. We're going to talk about the graph today because give you all the major update because the market hasn't gone higher than what I originally anticipated on February the 9th. That was the last time I did a video in the graph, and you guys can see that price literally is showing us it's not showing us any interest to the upside. The buyers of the market in the graph is not showing up. And when you see these things occur day in and day out, each trading day, then obviously the market is trying to tell us something. So I wanted to provide an update as to what I think the graph is going to do next. So first of all, you guys can see how we've established this area of 15 cents as support, right? You guys can see how we established that area with this horizontal line. And the market in the graph has made attempts to hold price above 15 cents. But recently, preferably looking at today and yesterday, the price is trading below 15 cents. Something is not right. The market has been in a very slow decline in its price action to the downside. Now, you guys can also see that we've established a trend. So it's still probable and possible that the price in the graph could come all the way down to this trend line and test the market to see if it can pick up buyers to lift the market up higher. I really wanted the market buyers to hold 15 cents though. And since that's not panning out, then that's letting us know that there's definitely some downward pressure that we need to contend with. So what I'm going to do first of all is get rid of this last price prediction because the market obviously is telling us that we're on the wrong side. That would be 20.75% loss right there. And it happens if the market doesn't give you what you expect. At times it's best to go ahead and take the loss because the increase of loss is definitely still on the table, especially when you still see weakness on the market. So real quick, let's look at this on the weekly chart. And here it is. And the conclusion of this current weekly price bar right here, seeing how price currently is below 15 cents. If we see that on the conclusion of this weekly price bar, then definitely we need to expect price in the graph to continue to trend lower. Okay. So let me go ahead and get rid of this arrow back here because the market so far, it doesn't look like it wants to break out towards 20 cents. Look at this on the 2-weekly chart there. Okay. Real quick, just looking at this on a long-term perspective on the 3-weekly chart, you guys can see in the next day and 7 hours, that weakness in the graph is definitely still present. The volume is healthy, it's decent, but the spread of the bar is a lot smaller than the previous 3 weeks, which lets me know that either one or two things. Either the buyers are not showing up or they are showing up, rejecting the lower price movement to the downside. Either or. Let's look at this on the 5 weeks. Look at this, we have 8 days, so we got one more trading week before the conclusion of this 5-weekly price bar. And you guys can see that it kind of resembles this 5-weekly price bar back here, right? Now look at the result from this 5-weekly price bar. Market went down massively. I'm not saying that that's going to happen on this current 5-weekly price bar, but just simply the reaction was down. The price action went down. So we could kind of expect that that could be the same thing that's going to happen next in the graph on the next 5 weeks. So let's go ahead and look at this on a daily time frame. So this is the 5-day chart. You guys can even see it here of the downward move that is currently occurring into the market in the graph. You guys can see that there. So yes, price is trending down. We're making lower highs into the market, obvious. Here it is on the 3-day chart. We got 6 hours and 38 minutes left on this current 3 days. And we're trading below 15 cents. Now you guys can tell that maybe support into the market in the graph is coming in around 14. Okay, it's possible, but I'm going to keep it around 15 cents. Okay, so what I'm going to do, looking at the price action into the market in the graph, I do suspect we got some lower prices to contend with. I'm not going to be massively bearish, so those who are bulls into the market in the graph can just relax. I do see price trending down though. Like, you got to be real with yourself when you come in and view price action and see how the market has been trading. So let me go ahead and play this downward move into the graph. So let me go ahead and show you all the magnifying glass real quick. And we're going to go ahead and play some slight weakness into the market. Now my first target is going to be here around 13 cents. That's going to be my first target. You guys can see that is around 9.25% right here, 13 cents. And then my second target is not going to be too far from where the trend line is. It's going to be around 12, maybe 11.5 cents. That's 17.75. 11.5 cents, maybe 12 cents. I would take that. And we're going to continue to play weakness into the market in the graph so long as price trades below 17 cents. Okay. So that is it. I am done. Welcome to the team. Hit that like button so that you can also subscribe. We're here to give you all information and content that's not hyped up, that doesn't give you any FUD, any FOMO. We simply pay attention to what everyone else is doing to get a gauge as to where the probable next likely move is going to occur. You want to join me? Hit that like button. Subscribe.